We left Salvation Mountain.
And we went to East Jesus, which was just up around the corner from Salvation Mountain. And we made it a quick stop because there was nowhere for us to park the motorhome. And I didn't realize that until I went around the circle where the parking was. And it was so tight I didn't think I was going to make it around, but we did. And there was nowhere for us to park, so we ended up leaving. We got a good view of what was there.
Yeah, enjoy the pictures.
Yeah, enjoy the pictures.
Homemade tie-dye. Solar. Solar there. Back in the rain.
Oh, yeah.
There it is. East Jesus. That's what it's called. Right up there. You make a left and then you make a left right away, she said.
Okay, now we're leaving East Jesus and we're headed north, I believe it is. We were on the, I think it's the east side of the Salton Sea on 111, and we were heading up to California. Well, I guess we're already in California, am I right or no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we're already in
Slab
California,
City's in
but
California.
we're going to Indio, California is where we're headed.
To a casino.
To a casino. Actually, we're going to stop at Walmart first, and then we're going to the casino.
All right.
Fantasy Springs, correct?
Yep.
Fantasy Springs Casino in Indio, California.
Yeah, all picked. Actually, it looks like broccoli.
Broccoli or asparagus?
That's beef cattle.
Beef or cow?
It said feed cattle.
What's down here? That used to be a beer farm.
That's the Salton Sea.
I don't know what it is, honey. Maybe that's where E.T. had to go call home.
That sounds fun.
doesn't know, but I'm in here videoing her taking photos of the Salton Sea, which you can see in the background there. Pulled over to some little campground pull-off, so she don't even know that I'm watching her trying to decide how to take a picture, but she's taking a picture of me as I'm taking a picture of her. There's the water right there. It's pretty cool. You see it out there glistening on? Yep.
Salton Seas. It's all salt. There's salt over there.
As we were pulling up to Fantasy Springs Casino, heading into the parking lot, Kimberly notices
Camping with the Kellys.
parked in the parking lot in the back.
Yeah.
So we were waiting until the next day because it was getting real dark out. We waited until the next day, and we got to meet Candace, and she texted Jason, and they come over to our motor coach and got to know each other.
Yep.
Very nice people, and hopefully we'll catch them down the road. Big, huge parking lot. A lot of RVs everywhere. RVs, 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 RVs. All the way around. And there's, probably all know them people. Camping with the Kellys. And if you can see up in the mountaintops, there's snow on top of the mountains.
Spend some time with them. Candace and Jason, and she made us some cookies, gave the dog some treats, and I got some cute rocks. Look at those. All right, we're gonna eat these now. Casino. Fantasy Casino. So.
Fantasy Springs Casino.
Over there, I don't know if you can see us camping with the Kellys. Okay, so we're heading out to dump our tanks and to do laundry, and I think we're going to stay in Ehrenberg. All right, come with us.
Enjoy the ride.
There's Candace and Jason for camping with the Kellys. We'll meet up with them in Quartzsite. Oh, there's a free dump station right across 10.
8, yeah. You're right.
And the name of this town is?
Indio. California. Look at the racing teams.
Oh, there's some racing teams
Look at
parked
this, they
here.
come from overseas because there's the boxes with the race cars in them.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You can see those big mountains. There's snow on top of those mountains. All right, it was great meeting the Kellys, camping with the Kellys. And thank you for watching.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And we like to appreciate all the new subscribers that have joined with us.
And the old ones.
And the old ones.
Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up.
Or thumbs down. Leave us a comment.
Don't forget to ring that bell.
For our new videos coming up. We'll catch you on the road.
Yes, catch you on the road. Here we go.
3, 2, 1. You soaking up the rays?
I couldn't see a thing.